Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today I'm going to show you how to make this DIY laundry detergent soap recipe. If you have a favorite eco-friendly DIY laundry soap, let me know in the comments below if you've used it before and you've liked it. I got this recipe from Mommypotamus. I did make it a smaller amount because I'm testing. I'm going to try the DIY laundry soap, I'm going to try soap nuts, and I'm going to try eco-friendly laundry soap that you can buy at the store and see which one of those I like the best. When I finish my findings, I will let you know in the boop. There's soda ash in here, which is baking soda that's been baked, and a bar of soap. It's pretty interesting. I'll show you how it's made. I'm going to cut this soap bar up into small chunks and then dump it into my food processor. It's a little tough. I feel like I'm doing all right. Yeah. I'm going to add this to my food processor. There we go. I'm just going to run this till it gets a little crummy in there. I think that's good. I'm going to work with powders, so I'm going to put my dust mask up, but it's 2 cups of soda ash. Ooh. Probably do that with the lid on. Mommypotamus, where I got this recipe, said to put a towel over it. I can't find my little thing that goes in here, so I'm really gonna stick a towel over this so I don't have dust bloom. All right, wish me luck. I hope this is what she meant. It's pretty covered. Let's try it. It's nice and fine. It looks really dusty in here. I think I'm gonna let the dust settle and then we can open up and pour it into our container. I'm gonna put my dust rag up, then I'm gonna open this up and pour it into here. I think it looks too chunky still. Let's do this again. So I mixed it too much, so it's super crumbly. There's a fine line between when it's done and when it's not done. But I think this will work. This recipe made about 5 cups. So you would use 2 to 3 tablespoons of this per load. You would add a 1/2 cup of vinegar into your fabric softener area of your washing machine. And to get rid of grease, you can use 5 drops of lemon essential oil if you are into that kind of thing. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sustainable DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. I'm just going to pulse this a few times so it's a little bit more crummy in here. Can you plug me in?